Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wildturmeric. If you're struggling with a flaky, itchy scalp, stubborn dandruff, or scalp inflammation, I have a powerful traditional remedy for you today. The first ingredient used in the pack, onion, is a well known remedy for scalp problems. Onions are incredibly rich in sulfur, which has potent anti inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. This helps to fight off the fungus that causes dandruff. Our second key ingredient is fresh neem leaves. Neem is celebrated for its powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties, particularly against the Malassezia fungus, which is a primary driver of dandruff. It also has a wonderful soothing effect that gives you immediate relief from scalp itching. This onion and neem hair pack is an amazing treatment that directly targets the root causes of dandruff to give you a clean and healthy scalp. For the hair pack, collect fresh neem leaves. Wash and take them in a bowl. Now peel 5 to 6 small onions, wash, and add them to the bowl. I prefer small onions, but if you don't have them at home, you can use big onions too. Traditionally, we apply onion paste to treat alopecia areata. Now add in an egg white and grind to a very smooth paste. The ingredients grind very easily into a smooth paste, but if you feel it is lumpy, make sure to strain it. To use, apply the pack all over the scalp. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off using a mild shampoo. Because this pack contains fresh onion and raw egg, it must be used immediately after preparation and cannot be stored. It's a very effective treatment for dandruff and scalp irritation when used once a week.